Hello, I'm your star. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at Golden Hour event. Now this is actually quite a frustrating event. There's a lot of unknowns. We're just going to put in sort of what we've got, see where we end up. So these are the event chart. So we need raiding battles. We need shiny coins from campaign energy. This web milestone is really annoying because it's not actually for the main event, it's for the alliance event, but the alliance event does give some more shiny coins. So it's honestly, this event just feels a mess. Oops, that's wrong. That should say something else, but don't worry about that. I'll fix that in a minute. But this is where we are. So we need, firstly, to make a copy of this so that we can edit it. So, okay, firstly, that should say Surprise of the Planet. And this one's going to be the raids one. There we go, right, okay. So, the first thing we do is, we don't know how many shiny coins you get for each one. This possibly feels a bit of a copy and paste of another one. Let's make a guess at 6. Let's see what the mass looks like if we do that. So we'll roughly get about 2,300 coins a day, and this could be a bit important in a minute. So we'll look at the raids. So I've got Peter P. Parker. So these raids are for event points, not coins. So I'm not going to have it at 5. So I'm going to put no on that one. At some point in the week I will get him. So I'm going to put yes. It might be a bit later, but I'm not going to get Penny Parker. So an awful lot of points here. You've really got to be, if you're spending money, then you're going to do very well with the points. Like that one's worth like 2,000. That was worth 5,000. That was worth 8,000. That was worth 3,000, 6,000 and 9. And that was worth 9, 12 and 15. So if you're spending money, you're going to be getting a lot of points. Right. This was a bit complicated. So this. Oops. Oh yeah, so you get 90,000 points for this from raids. So 24 people in your alliance. I can't remember whether it's 2,000 or 1,000 points you get a day for the orb. Let's put in 1,000 and see where that adds up. Does that look about right? Or is it 2,000? Okay, I reckon that looks about right. So this one is a bit complicated because you're probably not gonna. I don't know where they're getting the shiny coins from. The answer is probably we're not gonna have enough for this, but this is just a what if. So you're not gonna get anywhere near that milestone. And actually, you're probably not going to be getting the 300. So because this is where it gets complicated. So this, you've got to spend shiny coins. Depending on how many shiny coins you're spending a day, is how many milestone points you get. And so you're probably going to be spending 3,000 actually, to be fair. So that's probably actually 100. Oops. It's probably 100 to be honest. Oops. Right. I'm going to be generous, but I think everyone gets 2,000 all fragments a day. I think it's that. If it's any more, actually, let's play it safe and only put 1,000. So it could be an extra 5,000 points on the table if it's more. Free claims. So I don't know about the free claim is going to be. I'm saying 250. I always try and go low. Let's see where that brings us. Okay, something's definitely going to be wrong here. We're definitely going to be getting more points from somewhere. It's got to be the campaign energy, I would have thought then. See, the rate is ridiculously low because you're not getting a lot of points from that. Because where are we with the points? Yeah, it's literally like the limit is one of each type, so there must be a lot more points coming from that campaign node somewhere. I mean, it must be. It's got to be higher points from this because there's nowhere else we're really getting the points from. So this is honestly until the event starts, there's not a lot we can work out with this. It's just a mess of an event. I don't like it when they do this. They don't tell us how many points things are worth, because even guessing 10, that's not going to get us there. It's not even going to get us the event item. Unless that's 2,000. But the problem is we don't know. Honestly, just this isn't really adding up very well. So, I know what I've done. Let's do that back at 180. I know what I've done. Didn't put my refreshers in, did I? What an idiot. I see how that changes the equation. Probably 150 ordered. Okay. That gets us the event item. I mean, we're gonna have to see what the maths is once the event starts. I wouldn't think too much about this Rise of the Planet event. I guess it's gonna be a case of you're either gonna be hitting that or not. Just quickly go over here. Oops. Just change it. Oops. Okay, right. So if it's only 1,000, then so if it's 1,000, you get to there. If it's 2,000, you get to there. And there's not really a lot you can do there. I mean, this is just this bit here. This 300 things a day. That's a bit of a red herring. I'd completely ignore that. Right, so that is the maths. It is a stupid event. But what is useful? Check out the war matchup sheet here. That is very good. Enjoying using that. There is a Cosmic Crucible one as well, although that's not quite as good because we're quite early in the season. But you got any questions, come chat to me on the Discord. And hopefully some of these events might start to become more fun, because this one just looks terrible. And hopefully we might know more in advance. Anyway, if this helped you, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.